are believed to be sisters, but authorities cannot...
Alright, we out here. I'm gonna Connie this up. And we have a leather. No, we don't have a leather. Oh, that makes me so much happier. I feel so much safer. And I don't know what Leland's doing coming to the toolbox right now. Like, Buddy has the stealth of a freaking, like, I don't know, panda. I couldn't think of anything.
I can get through.
Pandas aren't stealthy. Let's open this.
Okay, let's see where this goes.
Okay, I'm not gonna make family noise like last time where I just rushed it. Another one. You can go get bone scraps. I don't know what you're doing.
Yes. Oh, thank you.
Okay, they're making... I'm gonna open the door and then leave, like I usually do. To make sure that they aren't camping there, like they always are.
Can I get through here?
And then I'll come back to it.
What's that?
That's what you need, Leland, is some bone scrap. Okay. I love taking the house, but the battery exit has been really good lately. Because it seems like no one likes to go to it. No, this was a good family. They'd barge, or they'd latch the door, so I had to barge it. I'm just getting followed like a puppy dog here. You know what? No, he's stuck there. Yeah, I'll literally go the whole game without even grabbing any bone scrap.
It might work on those doors.
I'd just rather not fight the family. I'd rather just be, okay, stealthy. Which, they're camping there, I figured. So now I gotta go to, I don't know, Johnny's cabin somewhere? It's probably a good exit.
I can use.
If I even knew where that was. Okay, garden shed's not bad because it's in the middle. But the nuggets are going off like crazy. Quiet, nugget! I swear I hear fighting. I don't know which direction to go. Should I stay or should I go now? But I don't know. I just love laughing at myself. Because I'm freaking hilarious. Oh. Honestly, the best thing for me to do is just shut off the generator. And then run through and just freaking use my ability. Oh. Who's that over there? Where is the generator though? Hitchhiker being like a little creep by the battery. So they're obviously, I think they're communicating well because they're getting a lot of points. They seem to be scouting all the areas really well. Okay, there's Sonny. It'd be helpful if he was going to go to Jen, which I think he is. Oh, hitchhiker found him.
Oh, Sonny. Thank goodness it's you.
Oh shit, he trapped it! I never even grabbed bone scrap. This is why I need to grab bone scrap. Oh my gosh, where's the bone scrap? I swear there was bone scrap beside the generator once. And you know, I had that ability or whatever it is, like I don't know, my freaking perks. Where I could like actually take away the bone scrap. But this isn't gonna work. They're watching this area way too heavy. I would have died already. And then Cook has a lock on. There's a Cook? I totally forgot there's a Cook. Shit. Oh, and I didn't even... It's so stupid some days. I didn't even realize Grandpa was going off. Yeah, I know, Johnny. I know I'm dumb. And there's probably a hitchhiker, a little bone... No, there isn't. Okay, good. I shut that. I just did it again. You know what? That was a waste of game. Just a waste.
Yeah! You're gonna be leaking after that hit.
Complete waste. What's everybody else doing? Sonny's just waiting to die. Yeah, no one's escaping this game. You know, we were all level 10s, but we acted like level 2. Yeah, go through the door first. Oh, I didn't even get the opportunity. See, that's what I was trying to do there. And this is the same Leland that was following me around like a puppy dog. And he's the last one standing. All our faith is in him. Grandpa's at max. And he has no bone scrap still. No bone scrap still. I can't believe that. You know, I didn't have bone scrap, but still, like, I'm not Leland. That's his prerogative. How did he not see him? This is Johnny. He's like... There's no way he did... There's no way! I mean, they spot me with my head barely sticking out of the bush. And yeah, nothing right here. Wow. Fuse box or something if I'm lucky. But really, gas station is like hit or miss for me, like if I like it. Because gas station is like... Leatherface spawns so freaking close. And he always seems to get me like 0.5 seconds into the game. So this might be like a quick ass game, I don't know. But we'll see. The problem is,
Oh God.
I rush things. I ramble. And yeah, Leatherface is gonna come and I overthink too much. Am I good at this game? Like, I'm pretty good. I'm okay. I'm average. But I know what I'm doing at least. Oh, okay. People are making noise. Oh, crap. See, I need to be... Where is Connie? Okay, I think it's over there. I saw... I was upstairs and she was moving. So she's gotta be up here. Okay, let's hope Connie opened up this door over here. Which I doubt. hit. Holy crap, escaped. Damn! You guys be watching this? Oh my goodness. I want to watch her. I don't even want to watch me. I want to watch her. She's just going. Like, my voice, that character, unbeatable. I got my one bone trap, and I'm gonna be... Oh. See, these guys are so dumb. Such tunnel vision, doesn't even see me. Yeah, okay, Hitch. I hope he didn't have a damn trap there, because then that's my bone scrap goes to waste. Where'd he go? Talking about tunnel vision, I don't even know where he went. No fuse or anything. Oh, yes. This is what I wanted. Oh, he's just running around like a banshee over here. Boom. Yeah, you get it, Anna. What? No. That was our best player. Damn, maybe you just rushed too much. I don't even know. Okay, let's hope I'm using this mostly as a distraction because honestly, like, this family seems pretty good and there's no way they're gonna let this go. Okay, I think the valve is over there. Oh, he just swore a bunch. Okay. Yeah, he's probably pretty pissed. He seemed really good. Yeah, there it is. See, I was hoping it was over here. Because when it's over here, it's a little bit easier. Okay. Yeah, this gate's open over there. Fence is open. Yeah, thank you. Oh, no way. Hitchhiker better not see me. Okay, he didn't. He's such tunnel vision, that guy. I was not thinking there! Oh my goodness, please be open down here! No! No. That was so stupid, I didn't think! Please! I got him! Oh no! Okay. You know what? That was so bad. That was so bad, but it was good. Like, I was definitely going for it. You know, you do what you do. That was fun. It wasn't good. It wasn't gonna be like oh my goodness, this guy is like just an amazing player. That just showed everybody how average I am. Average, but is capable. Definitely not. Danny is fully maxed out. Oh, we're spawned together. And I don't think there's a Leatherface this time either, which is really nice. It just makes me feel more at peace.
Where am I?
The others are okay.
I was gonna door slam him, that was funny. Okay, where are you going, Danny? Over here's the unlock tools.
Julie,
The good ones,
I'm
at
right here.
least. Hopefully, we don't wake up Grandpa right away, because it is nice if we get at least, like, 4 doors unlocked.
Wait.
Because obviously last game I got trapped.
This might fit in the door.
without a door being unlocked, and that really sucked. So at least at this time, we can just unlock the doors. Typically, I like to go in here, I like to unlock this one, and then I like to like run away, because usually they're camping, and then if I open the door and run away, I know if they are camping if I come back later and they're around. Because everybody likes to escape
Yes.
out of that fencing.
I know what this is. It might work on those doors.
Oh, they're making noise. Okay. Well, honestly, I'll just let Danny go up. But I know the first thing they do, yeah, see, there is, I knew it. First thing they do is they check that door when the family awakens Grandpa. I know that.
I have to find
That's why it's like I have to use a different exit. People who play Family now are just so good, and everybody is getting really good at this game, which is not a bad thing. But when you're average like me, it's harder. Like, I'm very average. I'm good at just getting out of here. But then I also get, like, I go way too quick. Quicker than I should.
Come on. I gotta find something I can use.
Okay, we'll try this one. I do like coming out of here because it's kind of in the middle.
Thank you.
And then I can kind of pick either side I want to go to. You know. Okay. Yeah, it seems like all its victims are actually pretty good. Now, is there a hitchhiker? Yeah, there is. So, of course, I never grabbed bone scrap, and he probably put some traps. Like, I'm just assuming battery exit. It's over there right now. I can see. See, I don't know which. I think battery's just getting better. There he is. Did he put a trap there? I'm shocked. Unless it's like in a bit. Oh no, I'm in a bad spot. I'm in a really bad spot.
They're here. I need to hide.
Ooh.
Right. Why won't they leave me alone?
Oh, is it coming?
Okay.
Someone's
Okay.
coming.
You got this.
Is that... Oh, I just snaked her. You know what? Yeah, worry about over there. They seem to be escaping over there. I'm going
Just
to
stay
hit the
calm.
well and just run out that exit too if you don't smart enough and get out of
I
here.
can't get away. Think.
What's Sissy doing?
That thing.
I can't stand
that a
Sissy, but
person?
like, yeah, they're... Guys, get out of this area. I wonder if she left yet. Oh, okay.
They're bad.
No.
Stay quiet.
Oh, of course not. You know what? That's fine. Everybody seems to be going towards the house anyways. Not a huge deal for me. Get one hit on me, that's fine. I know where to go now. And this is actually works out fine for me. You know, I wish I would have just followed Danny, but that's all good. Because, you know, Battery is such like a easy exit, I would think now, because everybody loves going to the house, but it definitely seems that people don't really go that way anymore. Oh!
Finally.
Whoa, am I like blind, or did they turn on the basement exit this whole time? Oh my goodness, see, this is why... Oh my gosh, I probably look like a damn idiot. They turned on the... That's how they escaped, really? Oh my goodness. I could have escaped this whole time like that. Could have just jumped down the well and went. Oh. Now I'm probably gonna die. That's ridiculous. Ah, shit.
Okay. Okay. You got this.
Shit. And there's two of us. So I don't know where Anna is.
Think. Just look around, Connie.
Alright. Let's make a fourth attempt at this.
Just go away.
Hopefully the fuse box is right here. Yeah, it is. Bye. See, I know it's not smart, but no. That was dumb. But I knew the fuse box was there, and man, I should have just like taken no one was even watching that gate. See, like, or the generator. See, stupid decision again. And then Anna's gonna escape. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh, get it. You have your ability. Damn, Nancy.
You can do this.
On why no arrests have been made.
Slaughterhouse.
Reports say an unidentified man
Let's
entered
get
the
it.
home in the middle of the night, viciously strangling
I need a
one
win
woman
tonight.
before attempting to stab.
I've had too many deaths, and I need a win tonight. And you know what? This game, you know, I probably won't ever get sick of this game. It actually is really fun,
What is going
but
on?
it has its moments. And me in this game, we get into it for sure. Okay,
This might
now I need to
lead
find
the others.
where's the unlock tool? See, like, okay, there it is. It doesn't spawn where I want it sometimes, and
use
I'm just
that.
like a complete, like, weirdo who doesn't even know where it is.
This might fit in the door. Got it.
When Leatherface's lair with no Leatherface makes me happy. Not a lot of people have been playing as Leatherface lately. I'm not going to complain. Honestly, I'm really happy about that, but
This will help.
I don't know why they aren't playing as Leatherface, because to be honest, when you do the Leatherface Cook Hitchhiker combo, that is like has such an advantage for the family. I find this game is a bit family-sided, but playing on like certain maps, it definitely isn't. Now I have a good team. Like we've just been unlocking doors. We haven't even made any noise, which is good. Well, I don't know why Grandpa didn't wake up yet. Well, that sucks. Of course. What is going on here? Hello game. Like, sometimes this game, ridiculous. Okay, I definitely think I lost him. Which means I won't find him again, but I might find him again. My luck, I'll find him again.
Yes. Thank you. Come on.
Let's get a health.
I gotta find something I can use.
I'm hoping they open the door over here, which they did. Which I'm happy about. Oh, here we go. So my team is definitely making some moves. I knew their points were going up a lot, so I knew something was going on. Did they open that door? No.
Fight it. Just give in, sweetie.
Did she see me? Wow, the tunnel vision on people is hilarious.
I promise.
I wouldn't run off so much if you could actually do something with your lives.
Where'd they go? See, it's so funny when I say tunnel vision and then I don't even know where they went.
Oh, you ain't getting away. I'm keeping you.
Did he see me? I swear he saw me.
Time to play.
I'm assuming they opened the side door, because that's what I would have done. I would have went and opened the side door over there too.
Get down, man. I'll get you filled.
Okay, we got Sissy over there, Hitchhiker here, and I want to run over there too. So that makes sense. And Sissy just hiding in the bushes too?
Let go of your fear. It is holding you
Damn, I
back.
just hate when Grandpa's... You know what? I should just open up that door over there, honestly. Because, like, they're all just over here anyways. Yeah, they literally are all over here anyways. Yeah, fuck it. I'm gonna open up that door. All they're doing is feeding Grandpa. You quiet chicken. Oh, they did open this. See, this happens to me too often. I just assume something else when it actually isn't the case. Oh yeah, they must have got everything open now. This is an easy win. Everybody, Connie's here. I'll open up your doors for you.
Oh no. Did they hear me? Damn, over here.
Hey, Danny. Danny, come here. Come here for a second. Okay, I want Danny to door slam me. I think it'd be funny. Door slam me, Danny. Is that Hitch right there? No, that's Julie. Danny, door slam me. I think it'd be funny.